This, my dears, is flight aware. This is the flight path of ASH 6076. Dallas Fort Worth to Washington, D.C. Dulles. Now, you can see it's getting very close. Now, the route coding, which in some bizarre world I found this out, I don't know, and all indexing. Indexing is what I do. So anyway, I looked up Pan Am 103. I looked up other things. So my tradecraft is impeccable sometimes, most of the time. I'm not drinking right now. So I think what happens, there'll be icing on the wings caused by avionics failure, and they'll initiate the fire suppression system, which unfortunately has been tampered with by some mysterious person based on the fire department's 150 alarms yesterday in Dallas. And so what happens is, boom, hydrazine, when mixed with halon, becomes an incredibly interesting explosive. Now, of course, I'm making this up because, I mean, why would anybody want to write something like that? But, you know, my imagination runs rampant sometimes. But if I'm right, then you might want to contact the pilot of that aircraft and let them know that they should not initiate any kind of emergency landing, any kind of emergency procedure. Don't initiate the fire suppression system, no matter what the avionics tells them. Just land the goddamn plane. This is wind fog. Out. Oh, I don't care. I want to take pictures. I'm in Iceland. Yeah, the weather is beautiful.